Hello, this is Kwasyo multifunction baby food maker. We need to tell you this is a paid promotion and we got this product for free to try. This comes with a long spatula. It's a beautiful bib made with some kind of rubber material. Baby feeding can be messy, but this can be very helpful. This instruction manual has all the details you need for day-to-day use of this product. Everything you need to use this product comes in one small casing. It is compact and it looks great. This is the water heater with cover to avoid any accidents and steam burns. It also helps generating the steam for heating the food as well as for warming the milk bottle. This is the lid for securing the steaming basket. Measuring cup. If you want to measure the water you need to pour in the water heating chamber. This is the base for resting the milk bottle when you warm up milk in a bottle. This is the main casing used for steaming the baby food and for blending, all in one jar with a secure lid. We'll leave the product link in description for you if you are interested in purchasing this product. We believe this is currently available in US markets only. Thank you.